What's going on, my fellow tube U's? Today we're going to be vinyl wrapping the C5 Corvette front fender, and we're going to be doing the Cove here. The Cove is a bit of a challenge. I'm not sure if you're able to do it in one piece, but we're going to do it today in two pieces, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The first one I did came out really nice. That is wrapped in two pieces. So hopefully yours turns out as nice as mine did. It was a really bit of a challenge, I'm not gonna lie or sugarcoat it. It was hard to get the wrap inside here and tucked in nicely. Also, I have this black mesh here, so it kind of limits me from tucking it all in there, but I was able to do it for this side, so let's do it on this side. Stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to wrap this Cove. So we're gonna start wiping down the area that we're gonna be wrapping. So with some 70% isopropyl alcohol, give it a good wipe, even at the bottom edge here. Give that a wipe as well. Just want to get all the dirt off, all the finger grease, oils. Make sure it's nice and clean so we can apply our 3M tape. Now that this is all dry and clean, give it another wipe just in case. I'm gonna grab our knifeless tape. It's a 3M knifeless tape. If you guys don't have any of these tools and you're looking for them, just check the link below. I'll have all the tools used here to help you guys out. Okay, so I want the knifeless tape to go about here and around and follow this hard line as best as I can. I want it to stop somewhere there. I want it to follow this hard line. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna cut the excess off with knifeless tape. Now I want to go from here and around. So again, grab my knifeless tape. And follow that hard line all the way to the end. And cut the excess off. So mainly the only area I really care about is here. It's just inside here. So we're gonna try our best and see how that goes. Hopefully it works out. Now I'm going to use my heat gun and just make sure this knifeless tape is on there well. And just run your finger over it, make sure it's down. Just like that. that's it, guys. That's how I vinyl wrap the C5 Corvette front fender Cove. Now, it was very challenging for me because I have this mesh in here. So when you guys are doing it, I presume you guys won't have this mesh. So you'll have an easier time just tucking it in there. But other than that, it came out really nice. I hope when I'm in the sun it doesn't peel back on me. I mean, I heated it up a few times in here, tucked it in, heated it up a few times here, tucked it in. So next I'm going to be vinyl wrapping the entire fender. I will be putting that on the car because it's easier when it's on the car, and I'll also show you guys how to install the front fender on your C5 Corvette. It would be the same as removing it, so hopefully that helps you out. If you guys enjoyed the content, subscribe, leave a like, shoot me any comments you guys have. I'll answer right away. Thank you very much. Have yourself a good one.